The acting director of Citizenship and Immigration Services making his way to the Valley. CBS 4's Sandra Garcia has more on what Ken Cusinelli had to say.
We just try to make consistent, fair decisions case by case across the whole country.
Acting Director of Citizenship and Immigration Services making a visit in the Rio Grande Valley.
These border communities are communities. There are families and friends and professional relationships across an international border, and we want to facilitate those. We don't want to impede those.
Addressing concerns over changes to the public charge rule that would make immigrants ineligible for a green card if they need government assistance.
We still have a communication challenge that we've been focusing on to try to make sure people who do qualify for benefits Congress says they have a right to, what is covered by public charge and what is not.
Cusinelli taking time to tour the soft-sided facility in Brownsville, praising the Remain in Mexico program.
It's been very effective. Here, they were swamped in May. We're still at crisis numbers, but it seems so low compared to May.
Adding that the main goal with every change within the USCIS is an attempt to ensure anyone immigrating to the country is self-sufficient.
Not taking on additional financial burden is one of the goals of the system, and the public charge rule is how we do that.
Hoping that a change in the system is how they'll do exactly that.
That is not something that has been really effectively implemented. It's been the law, but it hasn't. We haven't had in place a rule that we could effectively implement it before.
When asked whether or not new policies set in motion would dissuade legal immigration, he had this to say.
We try to do all that with sensitivity, but with firmness going forward. And that's something we do every day at USCIS, because we're a vetting agency first, not a benefits agency first.
In McAllen with complete Valley coverage, Sandra Garcia, CBS 4 Valley at 5.
The USCIS is an agency within the Department of Homeland Security. It administers the country's naturalization and immigration systems.